Lights in the lab, midnight ignition, glassware shining, start the reaction. Atoms are waiting, energy rising, equations forming, balance the motion. Matter changing in silent motion, invisible waves in the atomic ocean. Reacting standing on the left sideline, products waiting on the right to shine. Symbols dancing across the page, elements right in a molecular stage. One small arrow shows the direction, time to begin the transformation. Chemical reaction, energy attraction, atoms rearranging in perfect action. Chemical reaction, atoms the equation, matter transforming across creation. Chemical reaction, hail the ignition, science turning sparks into vision. Chemical reaction, light in the night, left becomes right in the chemical light. Count every atom, nothing disappears. Nature obeys through the passing years. Numbers before the formula stand, showing the scale of the reacting band. Subscripts whisper how atoms unite, tiny connections hidden from sight. Structures shifting bond by bond, mysteries deeper than we respond. Chemical reaction, energy attraction, atoms rearranging in perfect action. Chemical reaction, balance the equation, and a transforming across creation. Chemical reaction, fire and water, elements dancing like sons and daughters. Chemical reaction, sheer design, nature's equation perfectly aligned. Copper meets oxygen and glowing flame. 2 cup plus O2 writes the name, turning the key oh bright and strong. Oxidation singing its metal song. Water breaks under electric light. 2H2O splits in the night. Hydrogen rising, oxygen free. Science unlocking chemistry. Chemical reaction,